Hello and welcome to Standard Scholars. We are continuing with Pulley system tutorial, and this is part 6 of the tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to see or find the force required to move the weight of a given compound pulley system. It is compound pulley system because it contains fixed pulleys, which is this one, fixed. We got over here fixed, 2 fixed pulleys and 3 movable pulleys. Over here at the bottom we got the movable pulleys. Same over here, so we got 3 movable pulleys. Now if we could quickly find, let me just complete the diagram. This number, if we could find out number of ropes supporting the weight. Now we got this particular number 1 over here, number 1. We got this rope supporting the weight as well, 2. We got this rope supporting the weight, 3. We got this rope, 4. We got this rope, 5. And we got this rope over here, which is 6. Hence the section of rope supporting the weight is equal to the mechanical advantage. Hence the mechanical advantage of this compound pulley system over here given is equal to 6. Now we know that the weight is 600 divided by the section of ropes supporting the weight. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 sections. And if we divide weight divided by number of sections supporting the weight, we'll get 100 kg. Hence the force required to lift 600 kilogram is equal to 100 kilograms. Hence the answer is B, 100 kilogram. Always remember, mechanical advantage of a given pulley system is equal to the number of ropes supporting the weight. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Please do subscribe to this channel and click on thumbs up. Thank you.